I saw her in an ad, and I believe she had her own hair care line as well. I believe for relaxing. Hey guys, welcome back. I want to say what's up to all my subbies, and I want to say what's up to all the newbies. That's everybody eyeballing me for the very first time. I really appreciate it. Come on in. I just want to chit chat just for a little bit. Now y'all already know the drill, okay? You see where I am. Noisy window. But that's okay. We're gonna work right through it, okay? We gonna not pay that no never mind, and we gonna keep on going, okay? So let's chit chat and let's talk about hair. More specifically, hair inspirations, okay? Hair inspirations. So when I say hair inspirations, I'm not talking about hair envy. Okay, so we're not wishing for nobody else's hair, nobody else's grade of hair, or nothing like that. We don't do that over here, okay? Because we're very happy with what we got. We're going to work with what we got because what we got is absolutely beautiful. And that's the end of the discussion with that. But what I'm talking about is hair inspirations. You know how people say hair goals? So when I say hair inspiration, it's basically, you know, certain traits and characteristics that you may see in other people's hair that you would want to achieve on your own, whether it be thickness or length or styles. That's what I'm talking about, okay? And it's very healthy to have that. And I have three. I have 3. I have 1, 2, I have 3, okay? So the first one on my list of hair inspirations is Liya Kebede. And if I'm mispronouncing her last name, please forgive me, but she's an Ethiopian born model. She's a supermodel, and you've seen her. Her face has been a part of many a campaign, I think from Calvin Klein to Lancome, and she's absolutely gorgeous. But what really attracted me to her is when I saw her hair was really long. She was attending an extravaganza, okay? So she had this ornate, gorgeous gown on, and her hair was just flowing and curled, and it went about to her breasts. So I'd say to the peaks, you know how I call it, the peaks. So it went about to her peaks and a little into the valleys, okay? So a little below. A little beyond the peaks. So anyway, when I saw it, I said, ooh, that's a length inspiration. I really want my hair to be that long. And once I saw that, I sort of captured that image in my head. I kept it on my computer, and I basically set that as a goal, a length goal for me, as far as me and my tresses and how long I wanted to go. Or wanted it to go, okay? And what I also admire about Liya is that she's not scared to cut it. She's had her hair short, she's had it long, mid-length, she wears it curly, naturally curly, blown out, and I guess it comes along with the territory of being a model, but she's not afraid to wear it in different ways, and I love that about her. So she is definitely on my list as far as hair inspirations. The second person on my hair inspiration list, that will be WANAKEE. I believe she just goes by the first name, but her name is WANAKEE, and she also is a supermodel, okay? She was very prevalent around the 80s and the 90s. She's been in Essence a lot of times. She was during that whole supermodel era. So what stands out to me about WANAKEE, when I saw her in an ad, and I believe she had her own hair care line as well, I believe for relaxed hair. But when I saw her, I was blown away. Not only did she have relaxed hair, but it was thick, it was beautiful, it was luxurious, it was lustrous, and given the fact that she's in a very demanding career, okay? So with models, we all know that their hair is done like 10 times a day if it's during a, model shoot or whatever. And, their hair is exposed to a lot of different stresses and demands and styles and stylings and stylists. I'm sure a lot of people that don't even know really how to handle textured or Afro textured hair, black hair, kinky hair. So even with all that, her hair thrived. I mean, this woman's hair was, I want to say it was waist length, but it was very, very long. It went way beyond the peaks and went down the valleys and beyond, if you know what I mean. So when I saw that, I said, wow, she was not only my length inspiration, but also my thickness inspiration, because her hair was so thick and just, I mean, I drooled over it. Okay. She had to go on my list. She had to go on my list. Here is now, if I could pick anyone who is a perfect poster woman for healthy, relaxed hair, it would be WANAKEE. Because again, with all the outside pressures and demands of her career and being here and there, she managed to have her hair grow healthy and long and thick, and she was relaxed. Okay, so yeah, she had to go on my list. Love her hair, gorgeous woman, gorgeous brown woman, and yeah, hair inspiration. My third hair inspiration, do I really need to say, but I will say, it is Oprah. It's Oprah Winfrey. I mean, what can I actually say about her that hasn't already been said? I mean, she's a multimedia mogul who first came to fame through her eponymously titled talk show. And curious enough, or interestingly enough, her stylist, Andre Walker, is the one that came up with the whole hair system. The 4 B's and the 4 C's and the 3 A's and, the whole system that a lot of people subscribe to that helped them to sort of understand their hair type. Well, he came up with that. So with Oprah, I mean, her hair is absolutely gorgeous. Her hair is absolutely gorgeous. And to hear her whole testimony as far as what she went through with her hair when she first started getting into television, and how I believe she got a perm, like a curly perm or something chemical on her hair, and her hair fell out. So she had to wear a TWA, a teeny weeny afro on the air. She was very upset about that. But through the years and, the success, she was exposed to better stylists and hair care people, including Andre Walker. And when I tell you, well, I really don't have to tell you, but Andre Walker kept her hair on point. Okay. I mean, she's worn everything from a bob to the different haircuts. And I mean, her hair is absolutely gorgeous. It's not only the thickness, but her hair is long too. Okay. Now, I may not get to the peaks, but her hair is her hair is gorgeous, and it's a beautiful, beautiful length. I love the color of it. I mean, she is definitely a hair inspiration for me, at least. And even with her wearing the faux and the half wigs and the little pieces, when she tries to give her hair a break here and there, that's her protective styling. I'm labeling it that. She hasn't said that. I don't think she said that, but she may have, whatever. But when she protectively styles her hair, okay, under the wigs and this and that, I mean, you could still tell that her hair is, when she takes it out, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So with that being said, she's definitely a testament again to how you can bounce back from certain setbacks, with your hair, with the time and the patience and basically the consistency and knowing and learning your hair. Now, granted, she has professionals that have taken the care in really getting her hair back in shape. But at the same time, I'm sure she does a little bit herself. And you can really see the progress. You can really see the benefits of taking care of your hair, even if you have someone else taking care of it for you. But that also lends to the whole argument that you got to find the right person. You can't just have anybody take care of your hair. If you're going to have a stylist take care of it, then it has to be the right stylist. period. So with that being said, love her hair, love Oprah. She is on my list. She is the one of three, 1, 2, 3. She is the trifecta for me as far as healthy hair and hair inspiration. Those are my three. Okay. So that wasn't too bad. Do you guys have hair inspirations? And if you do, let me know down below. I would love to hear who you have as a hair inspiration, if you have one. And they could be natural. They could have natural hair, you know. I believe in healthy hair. So whether natural or relaxed, like I said before, we should all have the goal of healthy hair. It doesn't matter how you get there, but we should all get there as far as healthy hair. So maybe it's someone who's relaxed. Maybe you've seen their hair and say, hey, I love the thickness, I love the curl, I love the this, I love the that. Let me know down below. It's very interesting. And if you don't have a hair inspiration, that's okay too. Maybe you're your own hair inspiration. Maybe you already set your goals or reached your goals, or again, maybe you've set them before. You know, maybe you lost your way, you know, in the middle. Maybe something happened. And so therefore you want to get back to where you used to be. So you are your own hair inspiration. Nothing wrong with that too. Let me know down below who it is and how they affect you. And, you know, it's good to have like a beacon. People talk about vision boards. Okay. So visually, if you can see it, you can sort of set your mind to achieving it. So it's sort of the same thing. It is the same thing. So we can use it not only with the cars that we want and the houses that we want and the man that we want to marry eventually. We can use that for our hair, okay? And how we want our aesthetics to be, including our hair. The thickness, the length, the goals, the shine, everything and everything in between. Okay, so let me know down below. And I just want to bring up one thing, okay? We're going to have a roll call, okay? We're going to have a roll call, and I have a little bone to pick with y'all, okay? I said that we were all on this hair journey together, okay? And it seems like when I say stuff like that, some of y'all don't take me seriously. Now, I give y'all updates and this and that, and some of y'all come through and they say, oh, I'm going to try a relaxer. Oh, I'm going to do this. And I'm like, hey, okay, give me an update. I don't get no updates. Some of y'all owe me an update. Some of y'all owe me 2 updates. I'm not going to call nobody out, but I'm saying, okay? So don't let me have to go through the comment section and pull out names and start naming people, okay? Okay, so you need to give me an update? Oh no, and she definitely needs to give me an update. Got me waiting. I mean, it's been weeks. And update. Come on, y'all. Y'all leaving me hanging. Come on, y'all. All right. So when I say that we in this together, oh, we're all going to grow our hair. We are in this together, y'all. I'm not paying y'all lip service. I mean it. And especially if y'all already tell me, hey, I'm going to try this. I'll let you know. And then that's not fair. That's not fair. I share. You should be sharing. Let's go. Let's have it. Roll call down below. Let me know. Okay? Okay. So with that being said, that wasn't too bad, right? We were in and out. Okay. So yeah, let me know who your hair inspiration is. Y'all that need to give me an update, let's have it. I want that update. Okay. So again, when I talk about hair inspiration, I'm not talking about hair envy. I'm not talking about wishing and praying that you had someone else's hair. We don't do that over here. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about having a beacon or a visual goal of where you want your hair to be, okay? Of where your whole journey is going to end up. Realistic goals and goals that are tailored to your hair, period. Okay, so with that being said, thank you so much for dialing in and showing up. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, we'll be back talking about some more stuff. So you make sure you come on back because you already know. It's going to be the same Dolce Gal. It's going to be the same Dolce channel. So you come on